Hi everybody. Today's video we're gonna talk about penny stocks. But first of all, I want to introduce some of the members that we do have our website called oxstones.com. It's a site me and Louis started. Our goal is to enlighten, empower, and to evolve as investors. We look for a smart way to invest, and we have some of the picks, which are long-term picks from Louis, and we have our chat room. We also post some of our recent articles that we think is relevant to further enlighten and empower ourselves as investors. So feel free to come to our chat room during the trading hours. I'll be happy to discuss any questions in the future. So yeah, today I want to talk about penny stocks. I think penny stocks are a new type of alternative investment in the recent years, and especially because you can easily make 100 to 1,000% on these stocks, and they are very, very volatile, and it could be highly profitable, and also at the same time you can lose a lot of money as well, highly risky. So first of all, we want to talk about the different type of penny stocks, the lifespan of a penny stock. So this is a SNPKE. It's a stock that's promoted by Awesomepennystocks. So most of the charts looks like this. You have initial promotion, and then the volume hits very, very high. There's 140 million shares traded in day one. That's almost equivalent to $14 million on that day. And then the promoter promotes the company, and it keeps going up. But eventually, of all 99% of penny stocks I see, they will dump a huge amount of stock at a very high price, and and leave some of the greedy investors up here losing a lot of money. And eventually, at the end of the promotion, the stock will be lower than the initial price, which is at this case close to 13 cents. But if you play this well, you can easily go from 30 cents to almost $2, which is equivalent to more than 700% return. Let me just give you another example. NSRS is also promoted by Awesomepennystocks. Same chart. You have a high volume in the initial day, and then eventually the insiders dump their stock, or the promoters dump their stock, and they stop pumping the stock, and then it goes down to 10 cents. So you can run it from 20 some cents to 150, close to another 700%. But if you're greedy, you'll eventually lose money if you hold on to it. So there's two ways to play it. One is buy at the initial date, right here, buy in early, and then sell on the way up. Don't be greedy. Sell after 100%, 200%. I think it's very safe. Awesomepennystocks is one of the bigger promoters out there, so their promotions tend to be longer recently, almost 2 months. Some of the stocks. Another way, if you can find shares to short, or which is you have to have contact with market makers or brokers overseas, you can short the penny stock when it start dipping. I mean, you don't have to short it here. You can even short it here, and eventually, like all penny stocks, they will go back to almost nothing. So most importantly, I think when you play penny stocks, don't drink the Kool-Aid. Don't believe that the company is going to be the next Microsoft or the next Apple, even though they do start as penny stocks. But don't believe in the hype. Don't believe in the promotion letters. Most of them are a piece of crap. So if my family and friends came to me about this penny stock, I'm gonna probably whack you if you really believe in this investment. But just trade it based on the momentum here. You can make money. Let me show you how they are promoting it. So let's just go over Awesome Penny Stock real quick. So Awesome Penny Stock's been around for a while. They're the biggest one. Actually, I heard that they spend about $60,000 a day on advertising, on pay-per-clicks. So at least 60,000, I think, one of the accounts. And so they advertise on Yahoo, on Google. If you come here during the market hours, sometimes you'll see their ad here over here where the E-Trade is. They spend a lot of money on advertising. So I'm estimating they probably spend about $10 million a month for people to come to their site. Okay, so what people do is they put in their email address, and then so from time to time when they have a new promotion come out, they will send you an email like this. So they'll send you an email like this. It will have the ticker they're promoting. And they have some BS here about how high the stock will go, and some of the news that they're promoting, like some new news about positive news about the stock. They're saying the stock will go to 9. So don't believe them. Okay, this is everything they do here is try to make you buy the stock, and please don't believe what they say here. And they try to rip you off. They try to scam you here. Also, all of them have a disclaimer here, and in the disclaimer, actually, you can find out how much they're getting paid on the promotion, and sometimes based on how much they're getting paid, you can figure out how long the promotion is. But being Awesome Penny Stock, this promotion is gonna go for a while, and then you can unsubscribe and stuff. So you see here, there's their real company. They're in Singapore, so you can't really sue them for anything. But because the way the internet is, you can send millions, maybe even hundreds of millions email without spend a lot of money. So that's how. Think about if they spend $10 million a month on getting new subscribers. Of the 10 million people, I'm gonna say maybe 100,000 will sign up. Okay, maybe of 100,000, maybe 1,000 people will buy the stock. So that's how they make the stock move. That's how they can extract 100 million volume on day one, because they have such a huge subscribers. And some subscribers knows that when they send out the email here on day one, the stock will run, because we have a lot of demand. Okay, whether you're a believer or not, the stock will go up, because I don't know how many subscribers they have, but they probably have like 500,000 people ready to buy this thing. day one. And as things go, the price gets higher, and they keep promoting every day. New members will come in and buy more stock until eventually they move on to a next pick. So eventually the stock will crash and people taking profits. But so, take your profits on the way up, or if you have a way to short the stock on the way down. So that's a great way to play them. Yeah, once again, don't believe in what they're talking about. Like, don't believe in the content here. The stock's gonna hit $10, or the next Microsoft, whatever. Please don't hold on as an investment. Most of the penny stocks are a piece of crap. So so Awesome Penny Stock is the biggest promoter out there. Okay, another one that's been doing pretty well is called SMA, Stock Market Authority. I think they have changed their website. Let me just find out. Apologize here. Stock Market Authority is stockmauthority.com now. I think they had some issue with their website, and they got shut down. So nonetheless, this is probably number 2 promoter out there for penny stocks. I mean, the website is almost the same. You put in your email, get your alerts. It's different. I would say it's a different format website, but you get emails when they have a new pick coming out. Stock Market Authority's pick latest are SEFE. It's pretty good. Actually, they didn't come in until later, but it's still, I think they come around this day here. They still can get almost like 80% gain. I don't understand. I think they're changing things up a little bit, but some of the other smaller promoter promoting it first. What Stock Market Authority is known for is their very first pick, LEXG, and this stock, I think, almost went up at 1,000%. It went from somewhere in 60 and 70 all the way to, oh wait a minute, this is not right. Did LEXG change their symbol? Yeah, I mean, I can't find the chart for LXG, but back then it went up actually 1,000%. Another pick from SMA is RAYS. Actually, it goes up, from the promotion around 110 to 200 to 230. So close to 100% return, and then it dips like all penny stock, but it lets you go, it goes up again and then dips and goes up again. So you can actually buy the dip here and make a couple good returns. But and another another good pumper is National Inflation Association. It sounds like a legitimate website, but they are a promoter as well. Does their website look like? They're more of a long-term pump. I have an email from them. Actually, NIA is pretty good on disclosing. They actually tell you how many shares they have. So this is an email from NIA. If you go to the bottom, what the disclaimer is, they actually say, you know, they have 350,000 shares at what price, and they agree to a 60-day holding period of the stock SYNC, and they also accumulated this much shares. So they can sell anytime for this number of shares, and they can sell anytime after July 2nd on the 350 shares they being paid, they purchased. So the stock SYNC is being promoted by NIA, and you see that you know, the initial promotion is probably here. Actually, probably here. So 60 days from May 2nd. So that's when they started promoting it. You see, it ran from $6 to $14 almost, and it's not over yet. It's gonna keep going. My guess is that after July 2nd, this thing's gonna tank. This is a NASDAQ stock. It's easier to find shorts, maybe. I haven't looked for it, but it should be easier than penny stock. But regardless, this is a pump and dump. They're pumping it right now for 60 days. So if you want to see some history of NIA, BVSN is their previous stock that they pumped it. So my guess is they pumped it from here to here, and after the pump is over, the stock declines as usual. So, you know, two ways to make money. You can buy in early, or you can buy on the dips when it's going up. The good thing about NIA is it tells you how long they're holding on their share. So you kind of know maybe a week or 2 weeks ahead of time you can start selling off or start shorting it. And another promoter, which is recently been doing pretty good, is called Bull Exchange. Oh, that's not it. So this is their website. It's loading up. This is their website, and they also have a Twitter site. I'm not gonna go there, but you can access from here. They have alerts shoot out on AGRT this week. So I bought it at the open. AGRT. Actually, this is where they alerted. There's 16 million shares being traded. I'm gonna actually show you a 5-minute chart, which is probably better to look at. So it was alert on Tuesday, around 9:40 a.m. Eastern, and everybody was waiting for them to alert because they had a really successful pick previously, and the stock's very low float. So I enter my order 20% above the ask price, and it did not get filled until around 34 cents, which is almost 5-10 minutes later, and 20% higher or 30% higher later. Regardless, the stock continued to run because the promotion is so strong. They're sending out a lot of emails, and they have a lot of affiliates sending out emails, and you know, they also, the stock itself has a very small float, so unless people are selling huge, the stock continue to go up. So I sold it here around 47 at the open of the next day. I thought it's gonna gap up, but it didn't. But I don't want to take the risk of holding on too long. Regardless, I made about 56%, even though I got in late, and I sold off not too great. You know, if I sell here, I will make another 50% maybe. So, but one day of trading, you get 56%. You can't complain, right? So that's how it worked. And the previous pick, NRBT, actually did really well. That's why they're doing. So many people are buying this time, because it went from literally 20 cents to 120 in a few days. So basically, all penny stock pump and dumps, it goes up very quick because the promotion. So there's a lot of demand because the promotion. And eventually, the party will end and the stock will decline. So do not drink the Kool-Aid and believe it's a good investment. I've seen stocks that has products in Walmart, that has people affiliates such as Dennis Rodman and Toronto Coach, but they're all piece of crap. So do not hold them as an investment. Just trade it on the momentum here, make 50%, 100%, and don't risk all your money at the same time. So yeah, that's what I want to go over penny stocks, and I think it's a new way to make money. Obviously, these scammers are making money off the public. I'm not for it, but at the same time, you should, you know, if it's better than they make money off these people. It's better you make off money at the same time than they take all the profits from the public. So I think, you know, it's nothing illegal to trade these stocks, but just be smart. Don't hold them too long. And once again, I'm the co-founder of Awesomepennystocks, and we have our own chat room. Feel free to come talk to me during market hours. I'll try to be in there, or else you can reach me in email from About Us, and my partner Louis as well, if you have any questions with him. Okay, thank you and good luck.